Wow, my fridge is literally so loud. I hope that doesn't mess up the whole audio. It probably will, and I'm already annoyed AF. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi and I'm a basic bitch about to show you my basic cake recipe. Wow, what kind of an intro was that, to be honest? No, but like in the very beginning of this channel, which was like 2 months ago, but still the very beginning, I think it was actually my third video that went up on this. You can check it out, I definitely linked it down below because it's fucking awesome. I tried to bake cupcakes or muffins and it completely was a disaster, but it was actually really enjoyable to watch. So since I'm just not that creative but wanted to kind of improvise a little video for you guys today, I thought I might just try baking once again. Because what do they say? Third time lucky. Well, this is actually just my second time, but if you like it, I'm gonna do another one and maybe it will actually work out in the third one. So the plan for this video is to bake a fucking really easy sponge cake recipe, but I'm gonna switch things up like we always do on this channel, and I'm actually gonna make a mess in my mom's kitchen. No, I'm actually gonna try to kind of put some nuts in there. Like instead of flour, I'm gonna put nuts, and that's not only because we don't have enough flour at home right now. No, that's because I'm fucking creative, you know? I'm actually gonna take half of the dough and put some cocoa powder in there and then mix it up. In Germany we call this marble cake, I guess. I don't know if that's a thing where you live, but actually marble is trendy AF, and you know, I love food and I love trends, well, some of them. So I'm gonna kind of mix things up and kind of do a marble cake. You want that cake. But first let me have a sip of my water. We're not really into gossip here on the Zizi99 channel, so we are sipping water and not tea. Wow, my jokes are really getting worse nowadays. Didn't think that was possible, to be honest. Okay, so let's get started on the recipe. First, I'm gonna take out my handy dandy scales, which are probably right here. Okay, so basically first we are gonna add the eggs and the sugar and the butter, obviously, because like those are like the ingredients that you always put in first. Me sounding like a pro when it comes to baking, when I'm actually not that kind of a pro about anything in life, to be honest. So we will need a bowl. I got the bowl! Wow, this was actually not funny at all. Fucking sun just came out of the clouds, so I had to change the lightning thingy on here. Let's get back into work. What actually was that? Okay, so this is actually my favorite part because right now we are gonna crack the eggs, and I'm even worse at cracking eggs than I am at cracking jokes. Fuck me. Also, can you actually like see this in the frame? Gosh, I'm so professional. This is what I meant when I said I'm not that professional when it comes to cracking eggs. Wasn't that satisfying? Not at all, actually. Oh fuck, there's some shell in there. I'm a mess. I already remember why I hate baking. Butter. Now if you remember the last video where I did like baking, I actually had a whole rant about why I love butter so much. I'm not gonna repeat the whole thing. You just have to check down below and watch that video to find out what I'm talking about, but people actually found it hilarious. First, let's get a knife. I probably shouldn't do that. Kids, don't try this at home. Fuck, I actually just like nearly cut myself. I'm actually just like kind of making this recipe up as I go, so we're gonna see maybe like 150 grams, I would say, like probably, maybe. Oh my gosh! My mom actually kept this. I like did a whole Nutella jar for her like years ago and put like hearts all over it and put like best mom. I'm such goals, guys. So basically, this is kind of the goal I'm aiming for today. Oops, a butter newt. Do you get this like in America and in Great Britain, where they do like the gram marks like right here, like 50 gram, 100 gram and stuff? Because I actually think this is genius. Like, why did I even get the scales? I'm not gonna use them, let's be real. Oh, you can't actually see me cutting the butter. That's so sad. Sorry guys. I bet you came here for some quality content and seeing me kind of sliding my butter. Actually, if you did come for quality content, you're on the wrong channel, honey. Okay, perfect. I probably shouldn't do that. I actually don't have a clue what exactly I'm doing in this video. And it's kind of stressing me out, not gonna lie, but I hope you enjoy anyway. By the way, I am actually totally up for like trying more stuff around cooking and baking and just being in the kitchen and not only eating. So if you have kind of a suggestion or you want me to try a particular recipe or something like that, definitely leave a comment down below. Because let's be real, my mom will actually be very happy about this because I normally never like cook or bake or anything. You know, help a loving mother out. Ooh, that noise. That's actually gross. I got my mixer. Let's do a song about mixing. Mix it up, remix. It's not my day today, you know? So I think we're just gonna like try to mix the butter and the eggs. And then we're gonna put in the sugar next. Spoiler, there's also one flour in there, but you gotta keep watching, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, this kind of didn't work that well, but is anyone surprised? Nope, definitely not me. So on here it says like 150 grams of sugar, so we're gonna kind of do that. Actually, let's use the scale for once, should we? Whoa, this is actually like a lot. Like this is 140 grams and I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Because we're trying to be healthy. She says, well, baking a fucking cake. And then we're gonna put in some vanilla sugar stuff. Pro tip from my side. Actually, don't ever use a pro tip from my side. That was the pro tip from my side, but you're not gonna use it, so you're gonna... Wow. Illuminati! One sec. Obviously I missed like the fucking trash can. Guys, I'm already getting so annoyed about this. Also, why is my voice sounding so weird? We're bad bitches. Now it's time for the flour. So as I said, I'm gonna put in some nuts. Wait, I'm gonna do the beauty blogger. Focus, 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 focus. Yeah, basically just that weird stuff in the back that is kind of fucking satisfying, to be honest. So we're gonna just like add a little bit of flour after that. Okay, bear with me, one sec. Oh my gosh, I spilled it everywhere. Okay, so now let's put in more flour, I guess, but also like let's put in some baking powder because it will actually make the cake like grow really big like my booty. This is so weird, I'm twerking out of the frame. This is the point of the video where I'm asking you guys why you are still watching this. We're also gonna put some more flour. And then in between we are gonna mix. Like look at me, just actually like kind of making this a tutorial this time.
A few moments later.
We need some more flour. Wow, this is actually kind of getting really solid at this point, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. That was probably way too much. So we are gonna add in more flour, as I said. I think I'm gonna stop right there because we don't want that cake to kind of be a mess. It actually already is a mess. Some people say baking is kind of meditation for them. You know, I don't agree with that, but like I want you guys to kind of meditate while watching this video. How's life going, guys? How are you? What do you think about yourself right now? What do you think about me right now? Why am I doing this weird movement right now? No, but yeah, I actually love to kind of get to know the people that are watching my videos, so definitely kind of contact me via my social media. I'm actually just in a few group chats at the moment, which is so much fun. To all the people from the group chats watching this part of the video, you are awesome. So I'm gonna get a spatula. Is it just me or does anyone else kind of want to slap something as soon as they have a spatula in their hands? This actually kind of sounded sexual, you know? For the probably most exciting part of the video, not that this video actually is somehow exciting. We are gonna put some of the dough into our baking tray, but not all of it, because a little part of it is for the marble effect. Getting the trends. Twerking is not a trend anymore, zizi. So we are gonna put that in here. So satisfying. Fuck. I didn't kind of put butter or something like that in my baking tray. Oh no. One sec, I'll put the dough out of the baking tray right now because otherwise we won't get the cake out of there in the end, and that's gonna be annoying AF. Just like regarding the fact that I kind of spent an hour doing this. Fuck, I'm so dumb. I can't believe I'm that dumb. Oh, somebody come and help me, please. Got my cake back out of the baking tray. Oh, I'm just gonna have to... Fuck, this is so yummy. You should never do that, kids. Don't try this at home, once again, because raw eggs aren't good for you. Also just realized that I have got... Fuck, where did that come from? I have dough in my hair at this point, and I just got out of the shower before filming this video, so... I'm stressing out so hard, guys. So I'm just gonna kind of clean it up, and then we're gonna try again. Like use some kitchen roll. Whoa, it's really rolling in the kitchen. So we're gonna take some butter. We're gonna just take that butter and rub it into the baking tray. Wow, I'm still trying to make this into a tutorial when I clearly just like did the dumbest thing in baking history. I think that will work. Will it? Probably not. What do you call those in English? Like breadcrumbs, I guess? And I'm gonna put them in the baking tray because it really makes the cake not stick onto the baking tray at all. And I'm just gonna... It's all over the place. That's a hack for you guys. Actually me kind of giving you all the pro hacks about baking. Yeah, don't want to put all of your cake mixture in there. You just want to put like most of it. Okay, so I guess I have like half of the cake mixture, a little bit less than half in my bowl still. And to that part, I'm now gonna add some cocoa powder. There are breadcrumbs all over my floor and I don't know what to do. Mom, come home and help me, and I promise I'll help you. I don't know in which way I ever could, because you are the queen of the house. Mama, please help me. I spilled my breadcrumbs all over the floor. I don't know how to rhyme. Okay, so as I said, we're now gonna put some cocoa powder into the leftover cake mixture. Get that out. That smell! So basically, let me show you. We have now got the cocoa powder into that part of the dough. And when we now add this into the baking tray, we are then gonna like mix the two kind of different colored doughs together, and they're gonna make a baby. They will just obviously kind of create a really nice effect into the cake. So satisfying. I'm finally nearly done with this whole project. It's all over my hand. I just have to... That noise was so disgusting. The cocoa powder dough is now kind of on top of our normal dough. But we are gonna take like a fork or a spoon. Wait. Now you can obviously like get really creative with this, but I'm just gonna do like the basic one, which is to kind of go in with the fork into your dough and then kind of twist it. So you kind of mix in the different colors of the dough. Now obviously you don't want to mix it too hard, because otherwise you will just get the cocoa powder in all of the dough and the whole cake will just be brown. So you just want to kind of give it a few little twists here and there, and it's just gonna create like a very nice image once you kind of cut into the cake in this direction. And once again have an excuse to kind of lick all the dough off of it. And once you are done with that, you can then put it into the oven. And I think you just like put it for like half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. At, I would say, like 200 degrees Celsius. You Fahrenheit guys out there, fuck off. So I actually forgot to preheat my oven because, as I said before, I'm just not a pro when it comes to baking, so I'm gonna do that now. I am definitely over filming the outro of this video later on, so I'm just gonna do it right now, and I will insert some pictures of how the cake turned out in the end and how I cut into it and how I enjoyed it with my mom. I should stop dancing. I'll insert some pictures right now. Doing weird hand movements while those pictures are inserted. So this was just a improvisation of baking with Zizi, and I hope you enjoyed watching this mess. If you did, definitely leave this video a like and also a comment down below. Once again, like, just comment what you want to see me try in the kitchen next time. If you don't want to miss the next time I will do something in the kitchen, and also don't want to miss all the other amazing videos on this channel, like, let me tell you, they are fucking amazing. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. You can also click the bell, which would probably be like fucking amazing, because you don't miss any of the upcoming videos and they are gonna be lit AF. I can't believe I just said lit. I fucking hate that word. Anyway, you can definitely also check out my other social medias. I always post on them. I'm blimmin' amazing and blimmin' active, and yeah, it's kind of fun, and you can definitely contact me on those because I would love to get to know you guys. Anyway, I should stop rambling and promoing the fuck out of myself. So thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! I'm from Germany. Why don't I film myself reacting to people reacting to German music? Kill me! I hate this song so much! What's wrong with us Germans for producing this kind of music? Oh gosh, I hate it so much!